Hello, this is the 4th of July. Happy 4th, everyone. Hope this finds everyone doing well and everyone had a nice vacation break. I've decided to take care of these last 2 boxes of potatoes, see if there's anything in here worth having. So here we go. Woohoo! Look at that, look at that. Ooh. Does not look promising. Oh, so much for that one. Now we'll do this other one. No, that was total waste. Time and effort. Ooh, got one little one here. So that makes 2 little ones. Whoopee! I won't do that again. Anyway, I do have that one over there. I'm just going to leave right now because that one potato died and the other one never sprouted or never broke surface. So I'm just going to leave that to rot down there. It's kind of protecting that, whatever that plant is right there. It's growing out from underneath it, so I'll just leave it there for now. In the meantime, I've got another couple spots for sweet potatoes, so I'll go ahead and plant those. And I've got the 2 additional sweet potato slips planted there. Hopefully they'll take. The 3 I planted yesterday, the 3 slips I planted yesterday seem to be doing well. I'll water all this into this evening. And I put another 2 plants over in this area. We'll see what happens. Hopefully these won't die off on me. Sweet potatoes are supposed to love the heat, so I doubt that it's the heat was causing these die-offs, but maybe the roots weren't adequate to supply it enough water. Didn't have time to adjust to its new growing conditions. So we'll see. Okay, I've got those watered in well. We'll see what happens. This one you can see pretty good. That one over there is kind of got dark leaves, so it's hard to see. It's not quite as mature, but it's got a good root system on it, so hopefully it'll work. On a different note, one of my pomegranate bushes is blooming. It's got a single female flower on it. I'll show you that in a minute. Doesn't do me much good as there are no male flowers to fertilize it. Anyway, y'all take care. Like, subscribe, comment. Catch you next time. Bye. Finally got a female pomegranate flower. Of course, I don't have any male flowers to fertilize this, but that's, you know, the way things go.